Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We're going to have a look at how we can export our file once we're done. So we go up to File in the top menu, click Export, and up here it says Export Area, and this is really important. If we click on Page, it will export this, the template we have chosen. And if we click export, if we click on an object, export selection, it will just export everything, this rectangle and everything that's in it. So if I put this one in it, click this one, export selection up here, export as, and this is in Danish, so it'll say save in English. And then it's important to remember to click export down here. This is just for choosing a location. There we go. Let's have a look at it. Oh, that's not how we do it. Just want to open it real quick to have a look. There, it just exported the rectangle and the image inside. And if instead I click export page, I'll call it bitmap 2. Again, remember to click down here. This is just for opening it real quick. This one. Now it exported everything inside the page. And that's really it. Bye!